Have you ever wondered what happens when you soak an egg in vinegar? Let's find out. Place an ordinary egg inside a jar. We're going to use ordinary distilled vinegar, which contains acetic acid. Watch closely, you'll see bubbles start to form. The eggshell is made of calcium carbonate, which reacts with the acetic acid in the vinegar. The products are calcium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. Those bubbles you see, that's the carbon dioxide. Over a day or two, the shell completely dissolves, leaving behind a soft, squishy egg. Now we have a shell-less egg. See how bouncy it is? The vinegar dissolved the hard shell, but left the membrane intact. This membrane is flexible, making it bouncy. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these experiments. Next, we're going to put our bouncy egg into golden syrup and leave for a couple of days. You will need to use something like a spoon to stop the egg from floating. It needs to be fully submerged to stop it reacting with the air. Notice how the egg shrinks. This is due to osmosis. Golden syrup has a low concentration of water. Inside the egg is a high concentration of water, and so water moves out through the semi-permeable membrane to balance the concentration. If you look carefully, you can even see the yolk inside. Now, rinse off the syrup and put the egg into water with blue food coloring. Leave this for a day or two. Because the inside of the egg now has a low concentration of water, the water moves into the egg, causing it to swell and absorb the blue dye. We now have a blue bouncy egg. You can try yourself with any color food dye you like. Now for the grand finale. Let's see what happens when we drop it from a height. Splat. The membrane, while flexible, isn't strong enough to withstand a significant impact. Science is messy, but it's also amazing. Please like and subscribe for more science experiments you can do at home. Thanks for watching.
It's so bouncy.